What's going on, everybody? Thank you very much for coming to my YouTube channel. This is Skylar VC, and we are here at the 2024 Los Angeles County Fair. Look how amazing it is. It is Sunday, deep in the afternoon right now, and we're gonna go get ourselves a turkey leg. Everybody, let's dig into our first bite of turkey leg for $22.88. We got a flaming hot smoked turkey leg. That's so juicy and meaty and thick. Oh, we're sleeping good tonight. Oh.
Okay, let's get into it.
Getting into it. Bite number 3 for me. This is bite number 1. Let's go. It just rips right off of the bone. It is so juicy, so tender, so smoky.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I can't even. I made such a huge amount.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry, but it's like so smoky, so juicy, not dry at all.
And that skin too. Oh, I love it. It adds like a little bit of salt to it. That natural salt flavor just shines when you take a bite of this. It is juicy and meaty.
Get into it.
Oh.
Nice bite. Well, it looks so good. I try and hold it. Oh, it's so heavy. That's insane. Heavy. Well, I'm sleepy already.
Going in for our next juicy bite. Oh. Yeah. Like a king. Today's the best day in the world. I am truly amazed.